Welcome back to Luxury Car, the channel where we explore the world of high-end automobiles. Today, we're diving into one of Cadillac's most refined sedans, the 2025 Cadillac CT6. This luxury sedan brings a mix of sophisticated design, cutting-edge technology, and performance, all wrapped in an unforgettable exterior. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car stand out from the crowd. At first glance, the 2025 Cadillac CT6 exudes an aura of elegance. Its exterior design is the perfect marriage of boldness and refinement, featuring clean lines and a strong road presence. Cadillac's signature design language is evident, with a sharp front fascia. The large, angular grille sits proudly in the center, flanked by sleek, horizontal LED headlights that enhance its modern appeal. The vertical lighting elements add a touch of sophistication and uniqueness to the front end. The sleek profile of the CT6 is defined by sharp creases and a smooth, flowing silhouette. This creates a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The wide stance of the CT6 gives it a low, athletic posture, contributing to its dynamic and confident appearance. Chrome accents along the window trim, side sills, and door handles elevate the overall luxury feel. Moving to the rear, the CT6 features a sculpted rear bumper and integrated exhaust tips that are flush with the car's lines. The taillights continue Cadillac's theme of vertical lighting, with crisp, angular designs that make the car easily recognizable from afar. The rear design complements the forward-looking aesthetic, maintaining a harmonious balance between sleek and aggressive. The 2025 Cadillac CT6 offers a range of striking exterior paint options to match its luxurious character, from bold colors like crystal white tri-coat to deeper hues like black raven. These finishes are complemented by a sophisticated multi-layer clear coat that enhances depth and luster, ensuring the car's appearance catches light and changes with every angle. The wheels on the 2025 CT6 are nothing short of stunning. Cadillac offers a selection of intricate, multi-spoke alloy wheels in various sizes, including 19-inch and 20-inch options. Each wheel design is tailored to enhance the vehicle's luxury feel while contributing to its performance. Paired with high-performance tires, these wheels provide not only aesthetic appeal but also superior handling. The exterior of the Cadillac CT6 is also about performance, with aerodynamic design elements that ensure optimal efficiency and stability. The sculpted lines and active grille shutters reduce drag, allowing the vehicle to cut through the air with less resistance. This results in improved fuel efficiency in the quieter ride at highway speeds. The rear spoiler, seamlessly integrated into the design, adds an additional touch of sportiness while improving downforce for better handling. The CT6 is equipped with adaptive suspension technology that works in tandem with its aerodynamic features to enhance ride comfort and performance. The advanced suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, ensuring that the vehicle stays composed regardless of speed or road surface. Technology isn't just for the interior of the CT6, the exterior incorporates cutting-edge safety and driver assistance features. Cadillac's Super Cruise system, which allows hands-free driving on select highways, is integrated seamlessly into the exterior design, with cameras and sensors carefully placed for maximum performance. Other features like forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and parking sensors all contribute to making the CT6 not only a joy to drive but also incredibly safe. The Cadillac CT6 debuted in 2016 as a flagship model aimed at competing with other luxury sedans like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and BMW 7 Series. The CT6 quickly gained attention for its blend of American craftsmanship and innovative features. Over the years, Cadillac has refined and improved the CT6, with the 2025 model being the pinnacle of their efforts. In conclusion, the 2025 Cadillac CT6 is an extraordinary blend of luxury, performance, and modern design. From its striking exterior lines to its performance-enhancing features, this sedan makes a bold statement, Cadillac has succeeded in creating a vehicle that not only looks great but drives as impressively as it appears. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked in front of your favorite luxury spot, the CT6 will ensure that all eyes are on you. If you enjoyed this detailed exploration of the 2025 Cadillac CT6, make sure to like and subscribe for more content from Luxury Car. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.